you guys, I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Chakran. I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. I recently went to South Korea and I am here to do a South Korea shopping haul, and trust me, this is going to be a long video. So if you have dinner to catch up on or snacks that you want to have while watching this video, I highly recommend that because this video is going to be long. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible, but I cannot promise you anything. Also in this video, I'm going to mention the shops that I actually purchased these things from, so that if you're planning to go to South Korea, you can actually go to these specific shops. First up was the shop called New, which is a wholesale sort of a shop where you can actually buy a number of things at a very cheap price. First things first, socks in South Korea are super cute, trendy and cheap. If you love socks or if you want to get it for your family, actually got 10 pair of socks in total, which is crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but it's not. When you look at the socks and the pricing, in Indian rupees, each socks were only for 80 rupees. Or like 70 rupees or like 100 rupees max. It's the first pair of socks and it's so cute with a smiley and it says it's alright. These bare socks and so cute, right? The next pair looks somewhat like this. Now these are longer, but like these are so soft. The next pair of socks actually has Shinchan on it. Cute little bow on it. Next pair is so elegant and so chic. I actually use these in Korea itself. It has these very beautiful beads on top, like just look at that. It actually has a cute little flower on it. Very cool design. This is the 9th pair that I got. Bow sort of a situation that ties up at the back of your leg. It actually looked so dainty on the mannequin in the store that I had to buy this. This particular shop was in Hongdae. This is the first hair clip that I got from New. I know, very loud, but you don't get stuff like this in India. I also picked up these very dainty earrings. This is the only pair of earrings that I got from my entire South Korea trip. Comes up with a push button sort of a thing. I actually have shopped a lot for mom this entire trip because she loves all these cute dainty stuff. First thing that I got from mom from New is this very beautiful clutch. It actually is magnetic, which is so cool, right? This was approved by her and she really ended up liking this particular purse. This is what it actually looks like. It's a shoulder bag. This has 2 side pockets. It has a lot of space inside. Look at that beautiful teddy bear holding that cute cup. Also got a ton of keychains for my mom. She is a sucker for keychains. She loves any keychain whatsoever. This is the first keychain that I got for her. This has a phone and actually twists. Can you imagine? Like, that is so cool. Second keychain that I got for her, it is a cute little comb. I also got myself a bag, but I did not get a shoulder bag. I got myself a backpack, basic black backpack. These are the only 3 bag charms that I got for myself. This one is so adorable. Like a beautiful teddy bear, which has a raincoat on it. How cute is this? I used to love Teletubbies as a child and I still love it actually. So I got it. We have a family dog called Zoe and she's a Dachshund. So I got this for myself because like this reminded me of her and I wanted this to be on my bag at all times. If you go to New, you have to check out their watch sections in all the stores possible because each store has very specific sort of collections and the watches there are so cheap. Like you get Casio watches for like 2,000 bucks Indian rupees, and Casio watches in India are like 5k and above, and you do not get these pieces in India as well. So like it's a steal deal. You just look at the detailing. It's a digital Casio watch. It literally looks so pretty on my hand, as you can see. It actually is stunning. This is the second piece of watch that I got from New. The moment I saw it, I fell in love with it. Literally has different colored rhinestones on it. And I got 2 watches for my mom because she loves watches. This is the next watch that I got from my mom. This is so pretty and it gave me a very vintage vibe and very aesthetic. Next items that we are going to cover are all from Daiso. We actually went to the 12-story Daiso in Myeongdong. And if you're going to South Korea, you definitely have to go to that store if you love shopping. Do you want to see what we're getting into? This is the Daiso haul that I have. This is the 56mm hair rollers that I got for myself. These are also hair clips that helps you get the volume in the crown. This is a pair of scissors that I got for my eyebrows. Then I picked up these 4 clay masks. When you go to Daiso, you need to check out the parent brands of the skincare products that you're picking up. Sometimes the parent brands are very popular. This Labbit, I think, was from the brand called Dr. G. Like the parent brand was Dr. G. So I picked these up because Dr. G is a very famous skincare brand. Some of the masks and pimple patches that I got. Also picked up these pocket perfumes. Got myself some nose patches. Another perfume, the volume mascaras that I got from Daiso. These two nail polishes for my mom. I also picked up some very cute hair accessories from Daiso. These were only 80 or 60 rupees each and they are so cute and so unique. I also got these very famous Daiso makeup sponges. Picked up this sunscreen from Daiso. I also got this very cute and adorable basket. Got these fluffy slippers from Daiso and again these were very cheap. I also picked up these two things for mom from the kitchen section thing, and these are actually foldable and like they're so travel friendly. Just look at how cool that is. Like, also got myself this very cute little eye patch from when you go to the Myeongdong area, just look out for tiny stores that do these customized stamps, and I actually got myself a very cute customized stamp. So pretty. It actually is customized with my name. Cute little pouch that you get with it, and she gave me an extra pouch just for free. Went to Namdaemun market just to check out what the thrift stores there actually look like, and most of the stores were closed, but we ended up spotting this one particular stall. Beautiful shawls, they were very cheap as well. I picked up these 3 handkerchiefs. Just look at the detailing on these handkerchiefs. Like, how beautiful are these? These handkerchiefs are very big. The material is actually so good and so soft as well. I picked it up in another color which is white, and again this is so beautiful. Also got this very basic black handkerchief. This shawl I picked up in 2 colors. This is a beige one and this is a grey one. I got this shawl only for like 120 rupees. What in the world? Wait, this material is like so soft. From Myeongdong market, you definitely have to visit this place called Wappen House, which actually does customized souvenirs. This place is a little on the expensive side. I got this particular bag customized from Wappen House for myself. Next up, we went to the largest Olive Young store in Myeongdong, which is like the flagship store, and asked the people working there that where is that machine that you basically get a freebie bag. And we ended up getting this as a freebie. You just have to basically sign up or something. So yeah, you get some sample stuff and you get like a product as well. These are the few things that I picked up for my boyfriend on this trip. This is the first product that I got for him, which is the Round Lab for Men Birch Juice Shaving Cleansing Foam. Picked up these cute little nose patches for him. Got him these cute little lip balms for him to. This is the face wash that I picked up for my dad. And these are the products that I got for myself from Olive Young, and a very famous cleanser in Korea. I also picked up these face masks in a bundle of 10. Very famous makeup fixer in Korea. Picked up this particular cleanser for my mom. Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser. I also picked up a solid perfume which is very famous in Korea. Had to literally run to another store to buy this particular piece because the store that I went to, the flagship store, they did not have this in stock. This was completely stocked out. I also got myself the Arencia Fresh Green Cleanser. This is very famous again on social media. I got myself the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Masks, and each come with a brush inside. Another random face mask that I found in this bag. I picked up 2 lip balms for myself, which is a Torridon lip balm. The very famous Riedel shot, which is literally viral all over the internet. Which is the Etude Nymph Aura Volumer. 2 items that I'm going to be showing you are freebies that I got at Olive Young store. This is the first one. I also found this particular clip that I got at Daiso. Vaseline, a very famous mask that's literally viral online. I picked up a pack of 10 for me and my mom. A specific skin concern. This one basically helps brighten your skin. Pore care, which is for me. And this is firming and moisturizing. It's Dr. Aldia 345 Relief Cream. Very famous cream that I saw online. These are not available in any specific Olive Young or any other store. You will have to go to a proper South Korean pharmacy to pick these up. I picked up 2 perfumes, one for my dad and one for my boyfriend. The perfume brand is called Tambourine. It's the late autumn egg perfume that I got from Tambourines for my boyfriend. This is one of his birthday gifts, so I do not want to unbox it right now. The bottle itself is very unique and the fragrance is again very unique. Perfume that I got for my dad, this is a Butari perfume. This is what the bottle looks like. This is what the bottle looks like from inside, but they actually give it with the cover. The smell is just so nostalgic for me because it takes me back to the store and that specific day because it was raining in Korea. I got both these perfumes in Indian rupees for I think 7,000 rupees, which is not bad at all. Picked up a pair of sunglasses for my dad from Blue Elephant. These are again unisex, so like I can use it, my dad can use it. They actually look so cool on me as well. This cover itself is so beautiful. The magnetic case. There was this mall right next to our hotel on day 1 and 2 where we were staying with the Etude team, and I ended up going to that mall just to explore and shop, of course. I got these two dresses from that particular mall only for 1700 or 1800 rupees, and I also picked up these pair of shoes for my mom and me. Shoes were on sale and I picked these up, I think, only for 1800 rupees. I actually ended up not taking a cabin bag from India to South Korea, and I bought a new one there because somebody had told me that they have very cute cabin bags in South Korea, and they did not lie because the bag that I got is literally the cutest cabin bag that I own till date. This is what the cabin bag looks like. It is such a cute color which you can actually attach on the cabin bag as well. This is what the inside of this bag looks like. Looked at how cute this mini bag is, and I got this cabin bag I think for 4500 rupees. You don't get like cabin bags like these in India, especially for 4500. The makeup artist that actually did our makeup for the Etude shoot ended up giving us a lot of free makeup, and it was just so sweet of them to do that. This was like a cherry on the cake, you know. I got all this free makeup from the makeup artist that did my makeup. This is the first product that she gave me. This is the Espoir Cushion Foundation, which she used on my face that day. When I tell you that my makeup looked so flawless, I mean it. What the foundation looks like, it comes with a mirror inside. It actually looks so luxe. And the best part is it comes with a refill inside of this. Full eyeshadow palette, the Espoir Eye Code palette in Vintage Muse. So gorgeous. This was the entire lip combo that she used on my lips, which is the Etude Fixing Tint, the Etude Color Lasting, this Espoir Plumping Lip Gloss, which she ended up topping my lips with. Oh, my liner, Etude Curl Fix, Skin Tint. This is the Etude Concealer. I have never seen an Etude Concealer, and I got one from her. She also gave me this Etude Water Tint. This is a mini Etude single eyeshadow. Like, look at how adorable that packaging is.
She gave me not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 eyeshadows in total in different colors.
Last but not the least, we ended up getting some products from the Etude team in Korea. First one is their new Cloud Filter Cushion Foundation. When I show you this packaging, you're going to be in awe of this packaging. This literally looks like a cloud. This would just look so pretty on anybody's vanity. So when this launches in India, I would highly recommend you get it. Isn't that like super cute? They also gave us these lip markers which are yet to launch in India, but like they come in 6 beautiful shades. I'm going to swatch these soon on my channel, so stay tuned. That was all for my South Korea shopping haul. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.